Okay, good morning or good evening. Depend where you're watching us. This is Bedr Al Fadli from Kuwait. In this video, I'm gonna share my trading ideas, latest trades that I made so far, uh, and giving some insight, some perspective about the market and what's going on in the US stock market. So I'm gonna start with this one, Micron. Uh, This one is building a base. Here we can see a good base. That one, this candle was excellent entry candle, the green one. It's crossing the red line, the 50-day moving average. So it was good idea from a reward to risk perspective, as we saw. And we might, after this close here, I wouldn't be surprised if the stock dropped a little bit to reach back or use those moving average as a support. I would be more excited to see it a little bit come down to this level. Hopefully, it's gonna give me a proper low risk entry around this zone within next period of this week. After that, SanDisk, we can see the pattern. It's almost similar to Micron, very similar, except here is the action is a little bit stronger. As we can see, Micron during that day, I remember it was 9th of March, was crossing the 50-day moving average, while this one is closing above it, which is it shows that the action is stronger than Micron. uh, yeah, I mean, this movement is very bullish within this current volatility of the market. I would like to see it cool down, reaching this level within next couple of days. I believe that will uh, give the stock more potential gain for the next period. Uh, we should see a handle within this area. Hopefully, we see that. MicroStrategy. Usually, I avoid whatever been trading below the 200-day moving average. However, and this stock is working building very strong base, and pretty much it's correlated with the uh, Bitcoin movement, which has been bearish lately. However, it's start to show very constructive action. It's giving me a sign that the worst is behind, and as we can see, it's been a while in the chart since the last time. Sorry for that. Since the last time the stock been trading above the 50-day moving average. So this close is telling me a lot. It's telling me that there is some shift, possibility to have a shift in crypto. So we hope market will improve within next period. IBIT. This one track the movement of the Bitcoin. Very similar pattern. It's getting closer to the 50-day moving average. And BIS. This one is open on a gap, and this one is there was some news related to the stock, I believe some agreement with the Meta. So that was like very positive news for the stock. I wouldn't be surprised to see it goes up further within next couple of days in this week. Lam Research. Here, uh, the stock is trying work on building a base. We can see there is a huge W working on that at the moment. Uh, this one, I would like to see it to have a strong day, strong push, crossing those two moving average, the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. That will be a bullish move sign from the stock. It's gonna be very constructive, and it's gonna show that there is a momentum coming in the stock. Nectar, very bearish closing today. I was anticipating the breakout on that day, but it turned out to reverse back, and now it doesn't look so good. But it's still we have to see what's gonna happen with the next couple of days to decide. This one is power play, or what some people might call it high tide flag. I bought it very late here, very little, very small portion, and it's acting fine. This is like a big drop, but it's still above the 10-day moving average and 20-day moving average. It has to get some rest. It has to move down a little bit. I bought a little bit here today, but it doesn't look so good at the moment. So those are the most stocks and under my radar at the moment. Those are the stocks that I'm tracking. No serious trading at the moment. The market's still very tricky and very volatile for me. So I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen during the next couple of days and weeks. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is gonna be change and shift. Um, and hopefully I can see you in next videos. Thank you, everyone.